Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Array.unshift method. So what it does is it gonna adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length of that. So a new length and new array. So what we're gonna do is create a array. What the array? It should be a var, not car, that I did earlier. So and after that what we're gonna do is numbers, and then I'll log it on a console, the array1 dot unshift, use that method. Not yeah, and we're gonna put like 4,5, and as you expect, when we do that it's gonna show 5. So what it doing is it returning you the new length of the array, array.length, the new length, so 5. And if you want to see the new array, so what it does is just we need to do console.log array1. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys tomorrow.